In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete QuickBooks journal entries in just 5 minutes. Whether you're cleaning up your books or correcting mistakes, removing unnecessary journal entries can be a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through each step together, ensuring you have all the details you need to confidently manage your QuickBooks Online account. To begin, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online website address. If you're already familiar with the browser you like to use, be it Chrome, Firefox or another, that's perfect. Once the page loads fully, look to the top right corner of the website. You should see the sign in button there, which you'll want to click. This will redirect you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. At this point, it's time to carefully enter your email and password. Accuracy here is key to avoid any unnecessary frustration from mistyped entries. Double check your email address for typos and make sure that your password is entered correctly. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you're confident the information is correct, go ahead and click the sign in button. This step will take you into your QuickBooks account where you can access all your financial data and tools. Upon signing in, we'll head over to the reports section. This is a central hub in QuickBooks Online where you can generate financial reports critical to understanding your business's performance. Find the main navigation bar that usually runs across the top of your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, click on Reports. Once the reports page loads, look for the section labeled For My Accountant. This category is crafted to provide you with detailed transactional data, perfect for detailed financial oversight or consultation with your accounting professionals. In the For My Accountant section, you should see the list of available reports, and one of them will be labeled Journal. This report is instrumental because it organizes all your journal entries in one view for easy access and editing. Click on Journal to open the report. It will show you a customizable list of your journal transactions, which you can sort and filter according to your specific needs. Next, you will need to focus on the specific transaction type. In this case, click on Transaction Type if you want to narrow down your options and focus solely on journal entries. Using the filters can help you quickly locate entries that meet certain criteria, saving you time, especially if you have a large number of entries to sift through. Now that you've identified the journal entries, click on the particular journal entry you wish to delete. This will open a detailed view of the entry, giving you full visibility of all its components, including date, accounts affected, and amounts. Carefully review the details to confirm that this is indeed the entry you intend to delete. This verification step is essential to prevent accidental deletion of the wrong entry. Once you are sure you've selected the correct journal entry, locate the More option at the bottom of the journal entry page. Clicking More will present you with additional options, and within this list you'll see the Delete button. This is your cue to proceed with the deletion. A confirmation will appear to ensure you truly intend to remove this entry, given the implications such an action can have on your financial records. When the confirmation message pops up, you will be asked to hit Yes to finalize your decision to delete. It's another assurance that you're aware of the changes you're about to make. By acknowledging this step, QuickBooks will then process the deletion, permanently removing the journal entry from your records. And there you have it. Deleting journal entries in QuickBooks Online is a manageable task when you follow these clear-cut steps. Remember, keeping your financial records accurate and up to date is crucial for insightful financial reporting and business management. If you have multiple entries to delete, you can repeat these steps for each one. Always double check which entries you're deleting to maintain the integrity of your data. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your QuickBooks data with confidence. If you found this video helpful, consider watching our others for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.